At 26,000 feet above the plains of Canada, both engines of a Boeing 767 suddenly go silent. No thrust, no power, no control, just silence. Inside, 69 souls are trapped on a metal bird that has just turned into a 132-ton glider. At the controls, Captain Bob Pearson, a man about to attempt something no pilot has ever done before. This is the story of how Air Canada Flight 143 ran out of fuel mid-air, and how one man's experience flying gliders turned disaster into one of the most miraculous landings in aviation history.